What's up, CFX Power Team All-Stars? Arnold Bongkak here, sharing with you live trades ng company sa web TV natin. Okay, so as you can see sa screen, meron silang trade sa GBP USD or German Pound versus US Dollar. Okay, so that is M15. So, every candle, yung red at blue ay 15-minute time frame. And they have a sell trade, 1.69 lot size. And yung red na line is yung take profit. Meaning, if mahit na yan na yung profit ng company. Okay? So, share ko muna yung journey ko sa company. I learned and manually trading Forex since 2016 up to 2019. I've spent thousands of dollars, guys, and napakaraming losses ko. And imagine, it includes hundreds of hours to study and sleepless nights doing trial and error. Because I am telling you guys, trading is really, really hard because it involves your hard-earned money and time, effort, and syempre, emotion. So as you can see sa screen, bumaba na yung price. Malapit na siya mag-hit sa red, meaning take profit. So, if mag-hit yan ng red, meaning mag-close na siya and we get paid. So, balik tayo sa story ko. Na-try ko na lahat ng possible ways para kumita ng consistent sa Forex. Bumili ng EA or robot sa market, bumili ng maraming courses, nag-follow ng signal from successful traders, at hindi pa rin ako nakabawi sa lahat ng losses ko. In fact, marami akong sunog na accounts na naranasan. Then someone introduces me to this company last 2020. And you know guys, I am skeptical and very, very negative. But as I have studied and witnessed their system, guys, we have the deal. This is the most credible project I have ever seen in any opportunity out there. Listen guys, CFX started last July 2019. So mag 3 years na sila this year 2022. And they have changed 400,000 lives worldwide. And they have never have any losses, even a month sa trade nila. Every single week we receive profits. We get paid for absolutely doing nothing. They usually get 15% to 30% profit every month since 2019, guys. Kasagsagan pa ng COVID ng mga years na yan, right? And of course, there's no fixed profit percentage because depende pa rin sa trading results ng company. So, no past results can guarantee future profits. Now, ang kagandahan, guys, ng value, kasi ang value ng company is they are honest, they are transparent, and they can give you peace of mind. Why? Dahil ikaw mismo makakakita ng lahat ng trades ng mga professional traders ng company sa website mo. Gaya ng nakikita nyo ngayon sa screen. So look at the trades, guys. This is the proof na tinitrade nila ang pera natin. Okay? So, yung price ngayon, okay, naglalaro pa rin siya, pababa, tapos tataas ulit. So, hintayin natin na ma-hit yung take profit. So, ayun, pababa na siya, guys. Wow, what a beautiful sell. Okay? Malapit na siyang mag-take profit. Malapit nang ma-hit, guys. And, yun, that's take profit, guys. So, every day is a payday for us, Monday to Friday, right? So, it's so exciting, guys. I hope you can join us very, very soon to experience this wonderful opportunity.